Hi everyone. So in this video we'll be speaking on how we installed SQL Server 2019 in Windows 11. So I'm sure many of you are facing the issue related to the 2019 is not working and any of the server SQL Server is not working in Windows 11. So here is the video you're looking for. So yes, for the beginning, I'll be referring to the Microsoft provided solution to this. So this is the Microsoft solution they have provided. I'll be pasting the link in the video description. So here, what is the issue they say is here the SQL Server 2019 works with some file system configurations which are not present or which are higher actually in the Windows 11. Like here, this is the resolution part, but I will be showing the yes, exactly. If you write this command in your command prompt with your drive, and you will be getting this is the default they wanted what SQL Server wanted where the physical byte file system effective physical byte per second for atomicity it needed 4 KB, and actually in the Windows 11 it is 16384. Actually this they have provided, but in my system it was differently. Here they are provided in the 16 KB is in the physical sector, but for me this 16 KB was here in this file system effective. So on that still I wasn't able to download or install this data service this data database engine services when not in getting installed. To fix that again I follow the same which is provided by Microsoft. So yes, so let's start the actual how do we implement to rectify this issue. So coming firstly, you have to open the registry editor. So go to your search box in your system. Write down registry. You will be finding it something like this registry editor. Run as administrator. Once you run as administrator, you will be having a page which looks very similar to this. And here you have to open this h key underscore local machine, and in this follow this path provided by this Microsoft document, which is nothing but the system. Under system current control set, under control set there are in services will be moving into this folder stornvme. In this parameter will be adding in devices we'll be adding one new file. How do we add it? As in the edit prompt you can go for a new, and in new add a multi-string value. Once you add a multi-string value you will be giving the name as this, so you won't be finding this file in your current default structure of the file structure in the default structure. So here you won't be finding this is a change I have made now. And here instead this you have to replace this new value slash hash 1 to this name, and this is actually provided again by this Microsoft document. So you use take the copy this and you rename this file. Where did we go? Yeah, what is happening? Yes, so rename this file, and after renaming just double click this file and give a value data as this star space 4095. This is also provided again by the Microsoft document. I'm deleting the same, and you after doing that change the file would look like this. Once you're done with your changes, go to your command prompt and run this command from administrator, and take copy this command and paste it and run it. And these two, if you are done with this too, I restarted my system. Once the system is restarted, you again come and run the command full util info and sector. This command is again here. You can find this here. So here it will be a C drive or D drive wherever you're installing it. So for me it is C drive. So once you are done after restarting the system, your configuration will look like this. Before I used to get this atomicity some 6 kb and here some other configuration. Now it is 4 kb, and which is perfectly what SQL Server 2019 wants. Once you're done with this, I am pretty sure you know the next process where you just have to go to the Microsoft official website where you download the SQL Server, any of your 2019 and 2022. Right now I have installed the SQL 2022 file, and this is Express. I have, here the next process I will be very in the fast forward I'll be just speaking the overview from here. And because I guess the actual issue was with the file system configuration, which we already saw how do we do it. So again, I'll give an overview from here. You just double click here and you will be prompted with a new window, something like this. Once you're done, you just open this new SQL Server standalone installation. Once you go to that next the configurations, you will be having all these installation steps, features, database engine configuration. You will be doing all this configuration. Once you're done, you will be successfully installing your database engine service in your Windows 11. I would like to tell you one thing which is very important before doing any change in this registry editor. Please, please, please import this. Import, go to your file, import, click on import and give a file path and restore whatever the registry editor is having in the default. Right now I have taken this backup of this registry, but unfortunately, I'm not able to import it, or else I would have clearly shown one by one, line by line. Right now, I'm not able to take this backup of this registry, which was default. So again, this will be a different video. I'll take it to a different video. If suppose I find a resolution to this, how do we recover back the registry so that I can be in the safer head, like I can go back to the previous registry as well. So right now, whatever configuration we have made for this, adding this file and running those two commands will be sufficient enough to run this SQL server, and the installation of database engine service will be successful. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. And if any questions, you can write down in the comments, as well as if you have any other further solutions or better solution, please provide me in the comments. Thank you. That's it.